fact that we were here today.
Beyond your imagination, yet well within your means. Find your way. For a dealer in the RV that's right for you, visit GoRV.com.
Intelligent Home, our new home security and energy management system you control from anywhere. Utilize security cameras, set your thermostat, and all your